It's super cold, guys.
Yes, still
6
very, very
a.m.
cold.
right now.
Yeah, still very, very cold here in Montreal. And our last vlog inspired us for this trip. We're heading to sunny Mexico, next to Tulum Beach in Akumal, and we're going to hit the Bahia Principe Coba.
Process was quick. Let's give you guys a quick room tour. Follow me here. We have a big bathroom right here and a jacuzzi. You have a toilet, everything pretty standard. And from here you have a big queen size bed. King size bed. With a queen, that's what I meant, you know? And then, junior suite, you have a small living room area, and that gives on the balcony right here.
That's where you can do editing and stuff like that.
Oh.
I'm starving though.
Jade and I just booked the reservation, and we left our luggage to the bellboy, and they'll probably bring it.
They're supposed to bring it
in
to
a few minutes.
So here there are many a la carte restaurants, and if you're here for 1 week, you're entitled to 3 reservations, and we're here for 4 nights, so we're entitled to 2. And the one that everybody says we absolutely have to go to is the Brazilian, which is in the other resort in Tulum. And so the only night that we're here that is available is tonight in 35 minutes. So hopefully our luggage get there very fast because I'm starving.
Whoa! So Bahia Principe, it's a very big complex hotel. You have 4 different hotels. You have the Akumal and the Tulum, which is next to the beach. You have direct access to the beach. And then you have the Coba, in which we're saying it's next to the beach but not direct access. And then further away you have the Siam Khan Hotel. So we're back to the lobby. We just connect with 1 shuttle, and then we were told that we need to connect with 2 other shuttles before we get to the restaurant. We're super hungry.
Miss our reservation anyway.
Yeah, it's a bit confusing.
So we've left the room more than 20 minutes ago.
So this is our second connection. It took a while before it got here, and we almost have no room on this train.
Yeah, it's so full.
Yeah, people are waiting for a long time.
Well, it's been 45 minutes since we left the room. It's our first night. We thought half an hour was enough, you know?
Oh, thank you so much. Alright, so we're lucky enough. We have a gentleman who's gonna give us a private ride to the restaurant because we're late.
Yeah, it's la Grand Tortuga.
Yeah.
Brazilian.
So we are on our 3rd connection to the restaurant. This is
50
crazy.
minutes later.
Yeah. Oh my God, Jade, it's not so nice to look at right now. She's super angry.
I'm always nice to look at. I'm just not always nice. Not after 50 minutes of trying to find a restaurant.
Anyways, we feel like it's a bit, you know, confusing to get where you want to go. It's so big.
There should be more shuttle between. The one we waited for the longest was the one between Coba and Tulum, and it was so full you barely hopped on. You had to like ask somebody to move. So I feel like definitely there should be more shuttle between Coba and Tulum, especially during dinner time, because people are going from one to the another.
Feel not much of a vacation trip?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not very relaxing.
Okay, but we're gonna give it a second chance. Let's go to the restaurant.
Yeah.
Finally, we get to the restaurant after like 40 or 45 minutes, 55 minutes.
I only came here because there was like the gentleman at the lobby was really nice and helped us out and took a shuttle just for us to bring us. But if we waited for the actual shuttle, it might have taken us like An
1
extra
hour.
15 minutes, yeah.
We don't even do this
It's
back home, you
insane.
know? Back home we wouldn't commute
Anyway,
1 hour.
on
just
top
to-
of that, so now we're late.
Okay, so let's see if they're gonna take us. But
and-
anyways, we really want to enjoy our time. We're not here to complain, and we want this to be positive. So let's try.
There was no shuttle. We left at 6 and there was no shuttle for us.
Shuttle goes every 15 minutes.
Yeah, but we had to take 3 different ones. So every time we had to wait and there was no shuttle.
Thank you. Alright, so we managed to have this table finally.
So we finally got settled down on our table. I just finished my salad. As you can see, they gave us little cards. If it's red, it means that we're not ready to get our meat yet. And when it's green, it means we're ready. I got a Diet Coke as usual. And the drinks, the specialty drink of this restaurant is caipirinha, which is the Brazilian version of mojitos. Really good. It's a lot of choices.
So if you make it to the restaurant, you are rewarded with delicious food coming.
Hola.
Oh yes, thank you,
Like
sir.
fried steak?
Yes, please.
How you like?
Medium rare.
Oh, look at these.
Yeah, that is really good. I'm gonna try everything here.
Wow, Jade, you have a beautiful smile now.
I have
Look at
food,
this face.
okay? Don't keep me waiting an hour for my food. Not good. Not good for nobody, okay?
It was very scary. I was scared for my life. So let's try. This is some plank steak,
Medium rare.
medium rare, fresh out of the barbecue.
Grilled.
Yeah, the grill. I think they cooked this over some, you know, charcoal, and the steak that they have turns over like this. Oh wow. It's super tender. It's well marinated, not too salty, and very juicy. It's delicious.
Yeah, it is super juicy. I had a piece as well. It's very well done. I love it. We see some sausage and some chicken. Let's try this. It has spices. And we got 2 sauce. This is the chimichanga, that's non-spicy, and tomato sauce, that's spicy. Very tasty.
Simple avocado. I've never tried this before. Do you know what it is? Well, I guess there's avocado
Well,
inside.
it looks like the guacamole, but like harder.
Oh, and look what we just had. There's some grilled vegetable.
Yeah, looks really good. It's sizzling. Yeah, I also have a loaded potato with bacon.
Oh, it's all seasoning.
And it has bacon.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good?
Yes, good. Fantastic. Thank you. This guy had like a really big 20 knife to chop the steak, and he was filming and he wanted to put it on your plate, and then the big steak went like directly toward your belly, and we were both like.
And it's business.
It's really sharp and it's like really big.
Yeah, we both look at each other.
So this is the Brazilian
No, but
steak.
he was careful. He knew what he did.
Yeah, he was really nice. It's just us. We were like, just what? But this is the Brazilian steak. It's really good too. I don't know what I like better, this or the flank steak.
So far, we didn't have twice the same kind of meat. I don't know how they do it, but I think we went through 7 or 8 kinds of
Yeah,
meat.
every time I thought it was going to be a repeat,
Yeah.
he come out with some different thing. Brazilian restaurant and a grilled pineapple, and they put cinnamon on all the side of the pineapple. It's really tasty. Just so perfect.
So full. So this is it for today, guys. I know we didn't feature much of the resort today, but tomorrow we're gonna feature all of it. And
if you haven't already, please click on the like button on this video. It helps us tons, and leave us your comment below. And if you haven't already as well, subscribe to the channel to follow us in our adventures. We'll see you guys tomorrow.